Hi, so today I wanted to look at how a psychologist might use Excel. And so today I made this chart earlier, and it has people's names and their type of therapy that they use, the date they came in, and their cost. So today I wanted to look at how to find the cost of all of their uh, therapy sessions. So I'm going to highlight right here, go to formulas, click auto sum, and go to average. And that, you see, our average is 68, so I'm going to type right here. Oop, I guess I had an auto lock on. And there again, our average would be 68. And then I think I'm going to change the format of the table. So I'm going to change it to, oops. I'm going to change the format of the table. We're going to change it to this grid because I think that looks a little better. And then I'm going to go right here, highlight everything, and then I'm going to go to the insert and click pivot table. Just click OK there, and it made a new sheet for us. And then I want to specifically look at the cost, the name, and the type of therapy. And so right there, I saw that Carrie was discharged, so her total was 0. Dave was virtual, so his was 75. Jim's was 85, and Katie's was 100. And then maybe I want to go to the specific type of therapy and put it in a filter. And then I can also do the same thing with the names. Okay, and then we'll see that it even sums up the cost for us, and that would be $260. So another sheet that we can come look at is our other chart that we made. And with this chart, I took different therapy methods and I put them all in percentages and put them in a pie chart. So now that is in a pie chart, I'm going to change the title here. And I think I'm going to put therapy methods. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to add some chart elements. I'm going to keep the data table, make sure they're all centered, and they are. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to change it to this style because I think it looks a little better. Check the colors. I think I like the color that it's in right now. I'm going to keep it colorful. Actually, I think I'm going to change it to this one. I think that looks a little better. So we're going to keep it like that, and then I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go to Format Chart area, and over here, might cut out the chart a little bit, but it'll show our pivot table, I mean not pivot table, our chart format area. And so for that, I'm going to add a solid line for the border, and I'm going to change the width to 2, make it a little darker. I might change the color to this red, so I think that matches the chart better. And then I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to change it to this bevel, change it to this bevel. I'm going to change the material to metal. I'm also going to up the chart width a little bit to 8. Change the chart width to 7. Check everything out, make sure everything else looks good. Might change the color of the text to white. I'm going to do that. If I do that, I'm going to actually change it to, just keep it black so just so we can see our legend there. I'm going to go back here, drag it back so you can see the full chart and see everything we added. Let's see. So as a psychologist, I could use this method to show maybe different research methods and see what methods worked for everyone else and how different people reacted to it. And with this format chart, with the pivot table, it'll help me be able to filter in different costs and be able to see different things one-on-one instead of having the big table. This is another pivot chart I had done a little bit earlier that showed a little more of the sum of the cost. And let's go back here. And then this, when we found the average cost, which was very, very helpful, and I could see people being able to do this throughout their job and how it helped other people. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much.